Hey everybody, thanks for having me out. I'm John from Mystic Labs. Nice to see some familiar faces here. I'm on the team that helped create Calypso, which is a chain abstraction application launching on Agoric very soon. And we specialize in optimized actions. So any token can complete any action. So in this scenario, we are completing what is called a stake, which you guys already know. And what we're doing here is we're taking, in testnet assets, we're taking some matic in this scenario. The matic is then being staked into osmosis. So it's taking the matic, it is swapping it using Squid Router and swapping it to USDC, bridging USDC over, and then actually staking that osmosis on the end. So in this scenario, this is the staking widget that's coming out. We just initiated the actual stake message. A message popped up, and this is me in the background right now opening up the link to Axelar Scan. And when Axelar Scan comes up, you're going to see me tracking the actual message over here. And there it is. And in this scenario, it is taken not too long, about a couple minutes during this video, where we actually swapped to the Axel USDC, bridged the Axel USDC over, swapped it to osmosis, and then the osmosis is eventually staked to the validator of our choice. Now, Calypso is really cool because it does a lot more than just staking. We're just rolling out with this staking widget that you've seen here. But we're able to actually take this same workflow that the staking enables and do lending, LP, NFTs, et cetera, to actually build out a fully optimized one-click experience for anybody that is entering crypto. So you can see here, and this is just me confirming that the transaction actually happened. And then you can see that we did, in fact, stake into this validator in one click. And we did this using MetaMask, and you were able to stake osmosis using your MetaMask wallet. So thanks. I did it real fast, didn't need the full 5 minutes, and I'm excited to show you guys more very soon. Upgrade 16, I think, next week, so that should be Calypso Live, too. Thanks, everybody.